The New York Attorney General has announced that a year-long investigation has led to the indictment of nearly 50 individuals tied to drug and gun trafficking rings in the capital region. News Channel 34's Karina Capabianca has more on the takedown and what the AG has to say about the broader issue of gun violence.
As members of law enforcement, we all have a responsibility to crack down on violence and to protect the communities devastated in its wake.
Attorney General Letitia James says 47 individuals are being indicted as a result of Operation Crosstown Quarantine. She says they were tied to the Uptown Associates and Downtown Associates gangs and are responsible for shootings and other violent crimes in Albany. In addition to illegal drugs, 9 firearms, including a ghost gun, was seized. This session, the state legislature passed bills aimed at getting rid of the untraceable guns. James says this situation relates to the larger issue of gun violence and firearm trafficking. Her office has held several gun buybacks, removing more than 1,000 guns from the streets.
As opposed to, again, taking the gun out of someone's hand and replacing it with some resources, we've replaced it with an iPad. We've replaced it with a job. We've replaced it with a referral for an apartment.
She also says federal legislation has made it difficult to go after gun makers when firearms fall into the wrong hands.
There is a federal prohibition against any state attorney general from bringing action against a gun manufacturer or distributor. We have reached out to Congress to remove that restriction.
The state legislature also passed a bill to make it easier to bring forward these lawsuits. In Albany, Karina Capabianca,